Welcome to a calm beginning and a moment of embodied awareness. Today's affirmation invites gratitude to move beyond thought and into feeling. I breathe gratitude into every cell of my body. Gratitude is often treated as a mental exercise, a list, a reminder, something to remember when things are going well, but gratitude can also be physical. It can be felt. It can move. When you breathe with awareness, the body listens. Each inhale carries nourishment. Each exhale releases what no longer needs to be held. When gratitude joins this rhythm, tension begins to soften naturally. You do not need to search for reasons to be grateful. The act of breathing itself is already enough. With each breath, your body is supported, cells receive oxygen. Systems work quietly in your favor. Gratitude recognizes what is already happening. This affirmation is not about denying difficulty. It is about letting appreciation coexist with whatever is present. Gratitude does not erase challenge. It steadies you within it. As your day unfolds, let this affirmation meet you when stress appears. Instead of tightening, breathe. Let gratitude move gently through the body, calming the nervous system and restoring balance. Here's your daily habit for today. Take 3 slow breaths today and silently name one thing you appreciate with each breath. Carry these companion affirmations with you. Gratitude steadies my body and mind, and appreciation flows naturally through me. Thank you for beginning your day with AM. Inspiration and choosing awareness over hurry. May gratitude move with you, breath by breath, throughout today. Win the morning, win the day.